going on? You don't know what it is. You better act like it's your boy Business. And yeah, Amazon just came here. Yes, I'm about to crack that joint open right now, man. I think it's the Prolines. To go on my baby. Y'all see it's been stuff creeping around here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hold on. What is he on? He up to something. I don't know what it is, but he up to something. Yes, Sirski.
What is that in there?
Nosy. Yeah, man. So, about to crack the box open, man. See what time it is. Hopefully they got all my stuff right. We gonna see what's shaking. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Amazon was a little shaky today. They came a little late. You know what I'm saying? I paid for that 2-day delivery. Y'all was supposed to be here the other day. Stop playing around, man, with my money, man. What's going on, Amazon? You know what I mean? We be excited over this stuff. I was geeked up. Like, what? Where's my package? It didn't come. I'm looking sad. I'm looking out the window. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, it's here now, so we finna crack this thing open. You want to try to crack it open?
Yeah.
Here. Just be careful. This is what you do. Take it down the seams. Okay? So. Here you go. About to let the little dude do it. Here. Grab it. Don't be too scared. Here. Look how he holding it. Yep. So, we're going to start from here. And you're going to take it down. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Ugh. Well, you didn't have to do that. That was the point of cutting it. So you're supposed to be able to just slice it open. Hold on. Here, hold this. He just defeated the whole purpose of the unboxing. Look. Like this. Like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, well, let me see. It is wheels.
Oh, yeah. Them are big, boy. Is these the right size? Why these look too big? It say 17 millimeter. These things are humongous. Shit.
Look.
I ain't gonna hold you. These is big as hell, bro.
They're too heavy.
These look like they for something a little bit bigger. We finna find out though. What the heck? These are huge. It say 17 millimeter, you know, front and rear though. Okay. Let's see what happens.
Can I hold it for a minute?
1 second. So they going on the Kraton. We see we got the Kraton there. These some big wheels, bruh. Holy crap. Alright, so let's get it open. Y'all see what it is. The HP 3.8 all-terrain belted tires. You know what I'm saying? 8x32 removable hex for 17 millimeter front or rear. Let's go. So we gonna crack these bad boys open. These look good though. I like the size of these. For some reason, I thought they was gonna be a little bit smaller. But okay, let's crack these things open, man. Here go my baby. The Arrma Kraton. You know what I'm saying? Raptor. Looking tough right now. Here go the original wheels. You know what I'm saying? Them the original wheels. We're gonna do some comparisons between the original wheels. These the deep boots. That's off my Notorious. You know what I mean? And we're gonna go ahead and snatch these bad boys out and see what's the difference. Yeah, I know. Don't you think they look good? These look really good. Yeah. I wonder, should I try to do some customization to them, y'all? Maybe tape them up and you know what I mean, add my own little sauce to them. I think that'd be cool. But sheesh. All right, let's get these things on the car. Again, these the old joints. Now look at the comparison. Original Kraton wheels versus those. Oh my goodness. Super crazy.
It looked like a sandwich.
Man. Alright. Notorious wheels. Look like baby wheels. You know. Alright. So we gotta mount these joints right here on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that part. And then to be continued. I ain't gonna sit here and you know, how y'all looking and watching me do this for the sake. I'm just gonna throw these joints on. So let's throw them on. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Look at the tread on this. I didn't even have these wheels long before I started having issues, man. Like, I got 2 drives out of these things and wheels started coming undone and unglued and all this type of stuff. This is on my Notorious. These are the original wheels on my Notorious. These are the wheels from the Kraton. So these are the copperhead joints. This wheel literally exploded like on the second drive. Again, second drive, wheel exploded. Stock motor, stock ESC. You know, I did update the gear in the car, but that's about it, man. So, joint exploded. So, and these joints is like ugly, bro. Like, come on, man. Y'all got to give us some better designs. Shh. Got to give us some better designs when it come down to these wheels, man. Because, like, come on, bro. Look at that. Nastiness. You know what I'm saying? So, there you have that. And then we have the Proline trenchers. Belted moves. Ugh. I didn't think black can look this good. You know what I mean? If it wasn't me. You feel me? But yes. This thing right here look good. You hear me? Like, normally on cars, to me, like, especially wheels, you know, it be a little shaky. Like, I like a little color. I like a little sauce. But in this regard, this look really good. This is a really good looking wheel, man. You know, only thing I wish they would have done maybe is give us that outer ring and some color, or made our center section right here, that our removable hex area had a splash of color, like that made that all red or something like that. That would have been fire. If I was nitpicking on things they could have done. This tread is crazy though. This tread is ready to get busy. But yeah, this thread is absolutely amazing. One thing they could have done for sure, because I keep hearing a bunch about this removable hex head right here, is they probably should have made that aluminum. You know, they saying this is cracking. You know, if you got a little power, all that type of stuff, these bad boys are breaking. The good part is it's removable, so you can always remove it. But, you know, it's like, is it a money scheme? We don't know. You know what I'm saying? I would think not, though. It's just, if you probably tighten your bolts down too tight, it's probably something that can happen. But me personally, what I did is I went ahead and got the aluminum ones. I got some aluminum joints coming in that's pretty saucy. So we're going to put those on and see how those look. But I think we're going to be in there. You know what I mean? So we shall see. But let's get these bad boys on the truck. Again, last size comparison. We got the D boots here. D boots, that's from my Notorious. We have the Copperheads, which is the original wheels from the Kraton. You know what I'm saying? And then we have the big boy Proline trenchers. Ugh, them things is tough. Big boy. You know what I mean? But let's get these boys on the truck and see what's shaking, y'all. 1 second. Alright, y'all. All 4 wheels on that thing, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Fire or what? Them wheels are tough. I'm gonna tell you right now, them joints big as hell. Them some big boy wheels right there. Look at that. That stance though. Oh my goodness. crazy. You know, we gonna get this body issue under control too. This is hideous. This is disgusting. Oh my God, I hate it. But we gonna fix that. Don't worry about it. We gonna fix that. We gonna get that together. But besides that though, that thing looking pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? It's looking pretty decent. I think I'm gonna change my scheme up on my other body a little bit. Make it a little more mean, a little more aggressive, because this thing is, whew, look at that. Look at that ass in. Look at that thing. Them wheels. Ooh wee. Yes, sir, ski. Comment down below, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about them big boy meats. Y'all tell me what y'all think about them joints, man. I think they fire. I'm not gonna hold you. Them is crazy. Like, I wasn't expecting them to be this big. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, this is night and day. Like, look at that. These are like baby shoes compared to them shoes right there, baby. Yes, sir. Comment down below, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about them. Let me know if y'all like them or not, how they perform on your truck. You know, I'm just buying stuff here and there, man, trying to make this thing something crazy to perform and have fun with, man. And so far, this is what we looking like. So, without, you know what I mean, I ain't really got more to say to y'all, man. Ain't too much more I need to say to y'all, man. That thing looking stupid. You know what I'm saying? That thing looking mean. Yes, sirski. But we gonna rock out like that, man. If you don't know this, you better act like it's your boy business. This gang banging media. We gonna sign out like that, man. 2K's gang gang. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know what wheels y'all decide to go with, man, for y'all Arrma Kratons. You know what I mean? Again, before we leave, I'll tell y'all what these joints was again. You know what I mean? So y'all see it here. HP 3.8 all-terrain belted tires mounted on Ray Black 8x32 removable hex wheels for 17mm, and that's front or rear. Arrma Kraton 6S 8th scale. Yeah, like that, man. We gonna sign out. 2Ks gang gang.